Orange bedroom ideas. Orange and gray is a great color combination for bedrooms. Whether you use gray as your base color with accents of orange or the other way around, this combination always works well together, especially for contemporary and modern bedrooms. If you want more of a dramatic color contrast, use a cool gray hue. For a more subtle look, find a gray hue with warm undertones. Combining warm hues together, such as orange and red or orange and pink, can be great alternatives for a tween or teen bedroom idea. These color combinations create a wonderful contrast and lively color options for these types of contemporary bedrooms. With the right pieces of furniture, accents, and artwork, this color duo works well as long as you remember to use a neutral color to balance out the design, like white, soft browns, or beige, otherwise the room will begin to look too busy and chaotic. This lovely airy, bohemian bedroom designed by Sarah and Rich Combs is a perfect example of an orange bedroom idea that isn't too bright or vibrant. This design is well thought out, using soft browns, creamy whites, patterns, and different shades of orange to create a complete and well-balanced color scheme. The neutrals still allow for some orange to shine through, while still remaining a classic style that will be pretty for years to come. A great idea that you can create by incorporating a few simple pieces to your bedroom, such as the area rug, accent pillows, and bedding. Using several textures, patterns, and decor is another great idea for creating a beautiful orange color scheme for a bedroom. Such as this chic, boho bedroom. Its accent pieces help create a serene, beautifully curated room and color scheme. This airy bedroom is a wonderful example of how to incorporate soft, pastel shades of orange into a bedroom. This gorgeous bedding, throw, and window treatment provides soothing, subtle hints of orange that is combined with beige, deep browns, and white trim to maintain harmony. Color complements are wonderful color schemes for bedrooms because they create a stunning contrast, which can be bold, such as this modern bedroom that uses dark blue, red, and vibrant orange, or subtle by using pastel shades. This color scheme is always a great way to add some fun color and interest to a bedroom. The key to a successful design when using color complements is to incorporate a neutral base or accent color, like white, black, brown, or gray. Using natural wood textures and orange together can be a stunning combination if done correctly. Use these color combinations as accents within bed pillows, bedding, artwork, bed frames, and other pieces of furniture. If you want to add orange on an accent wall but do not have the time or patience to add wallpaper or a faux paint technique, using a solid orange paint color is always the best solution. It will add a wonderful focal point to your bedroom and give the room depth, making a small room appear larger. Besides paint, wallpaper, accent pillows, bedding, window treatments, and artwork, another alternative to add orange to your bedroom is to use furniture. This can be done with a headboard, chair, bench, end tables, dresser, or wardrobe that is custom made to your specifications. We love this orange accent chair in a room designed by Brady Tolbert. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.